Hello, everyone. How is it going? Welcome to Bistégs TV, where we serve up irresistible recipes you'll want to make again and again. Today, we've got something truly special, a dish that's creamy, flavorful, and oh so satisfying. We're cooking a delectable, creamy crab with vegetables in coconut milk. This dish will make you feel like you're dining by the seaside. Stick around because this is going to be one crab recipe you won't forget. Here are the ingredients for our delicious creamy crab with vegetables in coconut milk recipe. Fresh crabs, garlic, ginger, onions, string beans, squash, coconut milk, green chili, bell pepper, fish sauce, ground pepper, and finally, umami seasoning. Got it? Great, let's go. First up, add about a tablespoon of oil into your pan and let it heat up. Now, toss in the garlic. Listen to that sizzle. We want to infuse that oil with the fragrant, savory goodness of garlic. Next, we're adding fresh ginger. This brings a warm, slightly spicy flavor that pairs perfectly with seafood. Stir it around for about a minute. Add onions into the pan and give everything a nice stir. They will start to soften and absorb all those wonderful flavors from the garlic and ginger. Now that our aromatics are ready, it's time to introduce some veggies. Let's start with string beans for a nice crunchy texture. Stir them in and coat them with all that flavor. Next, we're adding squash. This adds a subtle sweetness and helps balance out the dish. Stir it all together, making sure everything is well mixed. Now cover the pan and let these veggies cook for a few minutes, softening and soaking up all those lovely flavors. Now, this is where things get really exciting. We're going to pour in the creamy, rich coconut milk. As it hits the pan, it immediately starts to blend with the garlic, ginger, and onion, creating a luxurious base for our crabs. The coconut milk is going to bring a natural sweetness and a silky texture that'll balance all the bold flavors of this dish. Stir everything together gently. Next, we're turning up the flavor with some green chili and bell pepper. This adds just the right amount of heat to give the dish a little kick. We're also adding fish sauce. Once everything's in, cover the pan and let it come to a gentle boil. Now it's time to add the stars of the show, the crabs. Gently place them into the pan, making sure they're covered in that luscious coconut milk sauce. Be careful when stirring. We want to coat the crabs well without breaking them apart. You'll already notice the beautiful transformation as they start soaking up all the flavors. Next, we'll sprinkle in some umami seasoning for that extra depth of flavor. This step really enhances the natural sweetness of the crab and elevates the dish. Then we will add some ground pepper. Stir it all together, gently but thoroughly, ensuring every crab is coated in that rich, savory sauce. Now, cover the pan, reduce the heat to medium, and let everything cook for 5 to 7 minutes. During this time, the crabs will turn a vibrant orange, signaling they're done, while the sauce thickens and absorbs all the incredible flavors we've built. And there you have it. Our delicious and creamy crab with vegetables and coconut milk is ready to serve. Just look at those beautifully cooked crabs, coated in that creamy, flavorful sauce. The crabs have absorbed all the rich coconut goodness, and the sauce has thickened to perfection, making it the ultimate companion to a bowl of steaming white rice. Whether you're cooking for family, friends, or just treating yourself to something special, this crab dish is sure to impress. It's rich, comforting, and bursting with flavor. Thank you so much for watching Bistégs TV. We hope you enjoyed cooking this delicious crab recipe with us. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video if you loved it, and be sure to hit that subscribe button for more mouth-watering recipes. Let us know in the comments what other dishes you'd like to see on the channel. Stay tuned for more, and as always, happy cooking. Thank you. Cheers.